Hey collectors and builders, Happy New Year guys. I cannot believe it's 2022 and man, I don't know what to say. It's been a year since I started my YouTube channel just talking about toys and people I gotta say it's been a heck of a journey. It's been a heck of a ride. I'm just telling you right now, like, I know it sounds cliche, but I cannot do this without you guys. I feel so blessed again, and supported, especially the guys on my Discord server and people on Instagram and Facebook. Man, like, who would have thought, we have made more than 70 videos, and I woke up on New Year's Day, right? And I found out that we hit 750 subscribers. Like, that's just crazy. And I think for today's episode, the first one of 2022, we're gonna be doing something special, something different, alright? So about a week ago, I actually posted on my Instagram. I'm like, hey guys, I'm gonna do a special episode to celebrate the first year on being I wouldn't want to say YouTuber or content creator. I'm just here to share with you guys my collection, and I made mistakes, but I've learned a lot, man. Like, you guys have been so helpful in my journey. So, like I said, I really hope you can feel my gratitude across the screen. So, all I want to say, this guy from Malaysia, I'm going to teach you a word. It's called terima kasih. It means thank you. I do that in all my videos. Well, most of my videos. So, like I said, people, we're going to be doing something different. A quick Q&A session. And some of you guys have no mercy, I'm telling you. It's like a press conference for athletes. You're just gonna shoot me with all these questions. We are going to do a quick recap on 2021, and we're gonna talk about the future of this channel. Like, hey, is this a one-time thing? Am I gonna come back and do more videos on Hexagear, Joy Toy, Acid Rain World? Let's get started. Q&A. So this is my first time doing a Q&A on my channel. I've got the questions over here on my laptop, and I think it's better if I just censor your name, just to, I don't know guys, maybe I should just call you out. First question, Mike. Come on, man. If you were forced to choose one, would you rather solely collect figures or build models? Bro, what are you doing, man? Okay, look. My channel is about action figures and plastic model kits. So on one hand, wait, I should get some of the figures. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. So on one hand, over here, Caleb. Absolutely love Caleb from Acid Rain World. Totally different experience. I really like that unboxing, feeling, just to check out the details, and just that first impression of holding the action figures and just play with it, and I love it, right? On the other hand, check this out. This thing right here, this is the Woodpecker Hexagear. I've been procrastinating, but I'm gonna be uploading this video soon, probably this weekend, I hope. Right, so on the other hand, this is the plastic model kit, and I spent hours and hours, and I as a person, I really like to follow instructions and follow rules, just taking it step by step. It's a long process, sometimes even like 4 or 5 hours or even days, right? but it's just so satisfying when you're done with the model kits. So I would have to say it's a very tough one, but on one hand, it's that instant gratification. You just be like, oh, this is so awesome. On the other, it's like different. It's, yeah, I think I would have to go for plastic model kit. Hexagear. You see, I told you guys, it's you guys are just bleh. You guys are just giving me a hard time. Alright, moving on to the next question. Do you see yourself expanding to other model kits, or are you sticking with Hexagear for now? Oof. Okay, check this out. Over here, look, this is not Hexagear, and I've got one more. Ta-da! For the first time ever, featuring on my channel, a custom made by me, myself, and I. Okay, so I don't know, guys, like I feel like there are a lot of content out there, videos covering Gunpla or Bandai stuff, but there are not too many Hexagear videos, and I enjoy building Hexagear compared to these other kits. I think I'm gonna focus on Hexagear for now, just to really, what's the word? To really help the community and to kind of spread the word so people know about Hexagear, because it's so awesome. But in terms of content, after a year of exploring, I came to the conclusion that for my channel, I'm gonna be talking or covering mostly 1/24 or 25th scale plastic model kits or action figures like Hexagear and the number 57 armor puppet. Those are really cool. As for action figures, I managed to get some Planet Green Valley figures, so I'm gonna cover that, as well as Joy Toy, and of course Acid Rain World. But for my channel, you guys will see more Hexagear stuff, because they are doing some really awesome things this year, 2022. How exciting. Here's a good one, guys. How did you find out about Hexagear? I think I might have shared with you guys before. So I was in Japan in 2019 December, before COVID. Tokyo, Akihabara, heaven for otakus and weebs, or just people like me who appreciate anime and electronics and comics and manga, right? So I was there. I didn't know what to expect. I had no experience in plastic model kits. So yeah, basically I was just there shopping. Well, not really shopping. I was just checking out, right? And it was really late in the evening, and I stumbled upon this store. Okay, it's a green board, like signboard for the Bukiya store in Akihabara. So I went there. I think it was the first or second floor, and I just saw all this really cool. It was the first governor, A1. I saw this huge display of all the governors and Hexagear kits, and I was like, hey, you know, I should get one of these to see what it's all about. And I didn't even know Kotobukiya, man. Like, I don't even know like what are those things. So yeah, that's how I found out about Hexagear, just randomly walking on the street of Akihabara, and it changed my life. It changed my wallet's life. Guys, this next one it's pretty good. What's your favorite aspect of collecting 1/18 scale action figures? Oh my lord! To be honest, it's actually the size. I still remember my first 1/18 scale action figure. BRB. Okay, guys. This is actually screw in pocket. I'm not sure what happened to the head, probably somewhere, but yeah, this was actually my first, and I was very impressed or surprised by the size. I think that's my favorite aspect, right? The size and being able to customize with other brands, you know, just the details and the articulation. I mean, I like taking photos, so I thought it's, you know, it's pretty cool just to pose all these figures, and I mean, I had a good time. You know, what makes a really good 1/18th scale action figures would be the head sculpt or the face, like this guy right here. This is cool. Next question, why 1/15th scale and 1/24th scale content? Okay, I think it's supposed to be 1/18th scale. Alright, so I actually started with 1/24th scale, especially Hexagear, because I remember when I first started, I wanted to find out more about Hexagear, so I went on YouTube and tried to search for Hexagear videos, but there are actually not many. And later I found out that it's actually kind of niche, you know, for this scale it's kind of small. But like I said, I didn't have any experience in building Quasimodo kits, so I didn't know that, you know, it's that small, right? Yeah, I just feel like, you know, it would be nice to make this content because I couldn't find any Hexagear content, right? So hey, if I can't find it, might as well just make it, right? That's the main reason for me to get into the 1/24th, and of course I enjoy it. As for the 1/18th, yeah, it's the same thing, you know. I feel like it's very important to do the things that you like, that you enjoy, you know, make content or videos that you like, buy toys that you like, right? So yes, that's the reason. But yeah, 1/18th, that's cool. I like it. So here's the last question, and it's also the most asked question. What made you decide to start this journey, right? What made you want to start the YouTube channel? Yeah, like I say, one of the reasons was because I couldn't find Hexagear videos, right? So I decided to just start, to just make it. I did not have any experience in being in front of the camera, and I still feel kind of weird to, you know, talk to myself, because I'm literally talking to myself, right? But I feel like I've grown a little bit more comfortable with being me, being myself, and I see it as a challenge. So let me tell you guys, it's not easy to put yourself out there, you know, showing your face and showing your video, just learning in the process, because we tend to want to be perfect before we show it to others. Does it make sense? Maybe. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm still learning. I made mistakes. Sometimes people dislike my videos, and I have to be okay with it. But it would be really helpful if you let me know, like, hey, how can I do better? Like, is it because I got something wrong, or I don't know, maybe sometimes people just want to troll, who knows, right? So yeah, the reason I want to start this channel, and it's big. Okay, here's the thing. During the pandemic, we were stuck at home. Okay, in Malaysia, we were staying at home for more than 500 days. Man's gotta do something to keep himself sane, right? So when you're not going out, you're not spending money outside, I'm like, hey, I've got some extra cash, let's buy some toys, right? Because boys and toys. So yeah, that's actually my journey, like why I wanted to start. It's a silver lining from this whole COVID thing, and I enjoy it. You know, I enjoy doing video editing and shopping online, finding good deals. So yeah, I think that's all the questions. I hope you guys get to know more about me, the guy behind the channel. Okay, yeah, a quick recap. So check out these videos. I'm actually kind of surprised by these top 9 videos. Apparently a lot of people like to watch Joy Toy, the 1/25th scale, or Hexagear as well, and number 57 Armored Puppet. So I think that's what I want to do, you know. Moving forward, I think I should focus more on these kind of content. And speaking about future plans, I've got something to show you guys. I've been playing with some ideas like Hexagear Around the World Season 1. If you haven't watched it yet, basically I talk to people from all over the world, you know, exchanging ideas and stories, because it's a very niche community. Yeah, we just want to spread the good work of Moruga and Hexagear. What do you guys think? Do you want to watch Season 2 of Hexagear Around the World? And I'm thinking of doing a podcast or a show with a couple of the guys. It's gonna be cool. We are working something right now. Maybe I might drop some merch for you people and try out Patreon. And of course, gonna be posting video at least once a week. Last but not least, the 1/24th news. If you enjoy it, let me know. Yeah, I feel pretty good. I think I'm gonna be doing this, continue my YouTube journey. I have a day job. I'm doing my grad school during the weekends. I hope to finish my master's degree this year. So yeah, I've got a bunch of things going on, not in a bad way, but it's very exciting. I think I've talked a lot today. Happy New Year, people. I hope you had a great time celebrating with your friends, your families. That's it, guys. I'll see you the next episode. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. You say terima kasih. Sayonara. Goodbye. Bye-bye.